Weight benches are quite versatile and can expand the options for your home gym by helping you tackle classic weightlifting exercises and add elevation to bodyweight exercises. There are many products available to choose weight benches, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best weight benches from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. FLYBIRD Adjustable Bench. Best for beginner to advanced exercisers who need a variety of seat and back positions and lightweight portability. With sturdy steel, can handle up to 600 pounds, and folds up for storage. We found the bench simple to set up right out of the box when testing. Plus, it folds up compactly, includes an attached handle, and is easy to move around, allowing for convenient portability. The bench's seat is filled with plush foam and covered in durable synthetic leather, making it comfortable and easy to clean. The feet are lined with non-slip rubber, meaning the bench is safe to use on hardwood floors. We like that you can adjust the bench 10 different ways for a more versatile workout, thanks to the backrest with 6 different positions and the adjustable seat, which has 4. Number 2. PASYOU Adjustable Weight Bench. PASYOU's adjustable weight bench is foldable and can be used as a flat, incline, and decline bench. With a comfortable backrest that can shift into 8 different positions and padded leg holds, this bench is versatile enough for all kinds of total body exercises. We also love that the foldable bench only weighs 26 pounds, making it easy to move and store. Since the bench boasts a 500-pound weight capacity, we like that you won't have to swap it out when you start tackling heavier lifts. When testing, we found the bench very stable and felt the padding and added neck pillow were firm yet comfortable. We think this bench would be a welcome addition to any home gym. It's very easy to adjust, and the extra features had us thinking the price point would be higher. Number 3. Fitness Reality 1000 Supermax Adjustable Weight Bench. This sturdy bench has an 800-pound weight capacity, a 33.5 inches tall backrest, and can still fold up to a slim 9 inches depth for convenient storage under a bed or cabinet. We found it very simple to set up, with only one piece to attach. It's also easy to move when folded, so you can stash it away or easily change its location in your home gym. We like how versatile Fitness Reality's 1000 Supermax weight bench is. The backrest has 6 adjustable positions, the seat has 2 adjustable positions, and the bench can be used flat, on an incline, or on a decline. The detachable leg hold bar is not padded but can be adjusted in 3 different ways. When using the bench, we felt safe and supported the entire time during both seated and supine exercises and even during step-ups. Number 4. FLYBIRD Weight Bench. This Flybird weight bench can be used as an incline bench, a decline bench, or a flat bench, giving you the flexibility to tackle many exercises, like decline chest presses and angled sit-ups. The 8-position backrest and 3-position seat combine for 21 different workout positions, including 2 declining positions below horizontal. Plus, we love the plush, comfortable cushioning, and inclusive 700-pound weight capacity. An automatic, spring-loaded locking pin keeps the seat and backrest safely in place. And we like that there's no assembly necessary, just unfold it and insert the locking pins. The bench folds up to a compact 9 inches high, easily sliding under a bed or couch. Number 5. Fitness Reality 2000 Supermax 40 Adjustable Weight Bench. The Supermax XL bench is specifically designed for taller users, with a 37 inches backrest that can accommodate exercisers up to 6 feet, 4 inches and help reduce neck and upper back strain. The bench provides plenty of adjustability with 3 seat positions and 7 backrest positions. This bench also has detachable, padded leg holds that can be adjusted to 3 positions. This bench boasts no gap between the seat and backrest in all positions, so there's no pinching or discomfort during exercises like bench presses. When testing, we especially appreciated the sliding seat, which most weight benches don't offer and makes for a more customizable backrest. The legs are wide and sturdy, and the whole bench folds up for storage. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.